Are you in Kenya and need quick cash without paperwork? Let me show you how to apply for an instant loan using the Tala app. This guide is for students, hustlers, or anyone needing fast financial help. Tala is one of Kenya's most trusted mobile loan apps. It allows you to apply and receive money directly to your Mpesa account within minutes. No need for collateral or long queues. Who can apply? You only need three things: a smartphone, a national ID, and an active Mpesa account. New users usually start with smaller loan amounts, but over time, you can qualify for more. How to apply? Step 1. Go to Google Play Store and download the Tala app. Step 2. Open the app, register with your phone number and ID. Step 3. Fill out the short questionnaire honestly. Step 4. Choose the loan amount and repayment period. Step 5. Hit apply and wait for approval. Most people get a decision in less than 5 minutes. Loan terms. Tala loans range from 500 to 50,000 Kenyan shillings depending on your credit score. Repayment periods range from 21 to 30 days. Interest is usually between 11% and 15%, depending on your risk profile. Answer questions truthfully. Use the same phone number linked to your Mpesa. Repay on time to increase your limit. So there you have it. Tala is fast, reliable, and perfect for short-term needs. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe to SideHustleSafari for more smart money moves in Kenya. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I always reply.